Want to watch live football on YouTube TV but not sure where to start? Here's everything you need to know in under a minute. Let's go. Step 1. Pick your plan. Go to tv.youtube.com and sign up. The sports plan is your best bet for football. It's $64.99 month and includes ESPN, NFL Network, Fox, CBS, NBC, and ABC. New users can get it for $54.99 month for a full year right now. Step 2. Find your games. Once you're in, tap the search bar and type the team or league you want: NFL, college football, soccer, whatever. Or go to the Live tab and filter by sports to see what's airing right now. Step 3. Add NFL Sunday Ticket if you need out-of-market games. The base plan covers your local and national games, but if you want every Sunday afternoon game, add NFL Sunday Ticket. It's exclusive to YouTube TV in 2026. Step 4. Use Multiview to watch multiple games at once. Tap the Multiview option and pick up to 4 games to watch simultaneously on one screen. You can fully customize which games you combine. Pro tip: YouTube TV streams run a few seconds behind live, so if you don't want spoilers from your phone, turn off notifications on game day.